Today I'm going to be reviewing Floravix leg calf massager. This is what they look like. They really are meant for the calf. You can see this one's on there properly. This one I moved up a little higher to try to do my knee. I got fairly thick legs, so if you're smaller, this will probably work a little bit better for you. But what I like is you can adjust the intensity, the heat, the mode. This is the mode. I don't know if you can hear them. They do have a sound. It's not that big of a deal. At first, I was not really sure how I felt, but they really do a good job inflating. So it inflates different areas. So it does actually feel like a massage. This also comes with some exercise bands, a charger, and a nice little travel case. This does well on Amazon. It's got 5 stars. Of course, only 8 reviews, but last month, 300 plus of these were bought. Make sure you're looking to see if there's a coupon and make sure you activate that if you do buy one of these. You get about 2.5 hours out of a charge. It can take 3 hours to get 100% charge. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.